Hi there, thanks for joining us here on Future Focus. This series is designed to help you, our students, be able to find as many different pathways, opportunities, and ways for you to prepare yourself for future successful careers. It's great that you're along with us. Enjoy the series. Lacey Makerspace was opened up about 2 years ago, and it was set up as an innovative space for small business owners and people who want to gain some job skills, for them to learn more about their field, use the tools that are used in their craft, and be able to produce the products that they would be selling within their small business. It's open to the public, and we're going to go take a look today.
Basically, we are here to provide access to high-tech fabrication tools. So things like you guys have in your labs, full wood shop, 3D printers, laser cutters, all these fun things now available to anyone in the community. So you don't have to wait for class time, you can come down and use it. Let's show you around. So if you want a really in-demand skill, it's learning how to 3D model and 3D print. Any industry is shifting to doing this type of stuff for all their manufacturing needs. Whether you want to work for a car company, an airline, any sort of new product, 3D printing is how they not only create their prototypes, but often their finished products. So, if you like playing with fire, this is where you want to be. Welding is called sewing with fire. It's amazing. You heat up metal super hot and you weld them together. You can make all kinds of awesome creations, and it's really easy skill to learn, and it's really in demand. Over here we have electronics tools. So if you want to know how your computer works or your radio works, how the electronics in your car works, if you want to make a smart device for your house, work with Arduinos or Raspberry Pis, these are the type of tools that you'll learn. Once again, if you are interested in creating and making things, this is an essential component. Almost everything we have nowadays is a smart device somehow. So this is a big part of it. Whether you're working with 3D printing, metal, wood, there's often a smart component to it. Over here, we have the table saw. This is one of the safe ones, like you have in the schools, that can't cut your finger. Safety is very important when you're working with wood. You'll find that when you get out in career as well, that safety is a top priority. Employers want to know that you can be safe with tools. If you're ever interested in doing finished carpentry, this is the tool for you. All the fancy molding you see in a house and cabinetry, most of that is done with these two tools here, the table saw and the compound miter saw. And in the back, I want to show you another tool. Once you get into more high-tech woodworking, you start using CNC machines. That's where you not only have to learn how to turn the machine on, you have to learn how to program it, do the software and computer side. So 95% of the work you do is actually on a computer when you do CNC work. The next tool is one of the most popular ones. This is great for doing promotional materials, so no matter what company you ever work for, this is fantastic for creating custom pieces of art. You can do custom cutting boards, travel mugs, anything you can imagine. The laser cutter will engrave or cut your design on it.
Look at this, it is so cool.
Once again, 95% of the work is done on the computer. So you have to know how to do 2D design, like in Adobe Illustrator, in order to actually use the machine. So computer skills are vital to do this. If you love clothes or fashion, then using tools is an important part of that. And so in here, we have some of the textile tools. Anything you're wearing, you can create actually on these tools. So you can create custom items of clothing. And when you combine this with some of the other tools in the shop, the possibilities are endless. People now are making 3D printed shoes. So you could actually sew the top of your shoe and 3D print the bottom of it and make a custom shoe. It's really incredible what you can do. And that's really why we exist at the Makerspace, is to offer this opportunity, offer these tools that most people don't have the space for in their home. And that way anybody from the community, especially students, can come down and learn new things or practice their skills and bring their ideas to life. That's why we're here.
All right, well, that's all the time we have here. Catch us next time. Thanks so much, Joseph. Take care. Come out to Lacey Makerspace sometime. See what it's all about.